Once in the recovery menu, use the volume down button to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and highlight it. Press the power button to select this option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Use the volume down button to highlight yes and press the power button to confirm. After the cache partition is wiped, you will be returned to the main recovery menu. Highlight the repair apps option using the volume buttons and your device will reboot. Wiping the cache partition removes temporary system files and cache stored by the system and apps. These files can sometimes become corrupt or outdated, leading to performance issues or bugs. Importantly, wiping the cache partition does not delete your personal data, such as photos, videos, apps, or settings. It only removes temporary files that can be safely deleted. This process can improve system performance, resolve minor issues, and make your device run more smoothly. Looks like your device woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Don't worry, we've got some options to cheer it up and get it back on track. You might need to go for a big fix with the Erase App Data option. This is like giving your device a nice, clean bath, but it also means it forgets everything: apps, photos, games, and all. So make sure you've got your favorite stuff saved somewhere else before you go for the ultimate option. This environment allows for a deeper understanding of your device's needs and quirks. It's the perfect moment to reassess and make necessary adjustments, whether it's figuring out which apps are truly beneficial or identifying those that might be causing trouble. Ultimately, safe mode is about finding balance and harmony in your device's ecosystem. It's a moment of pause, a chance to recalibrate and ensure that everything runs as it should. And once you've experienced that clarity, you can move forward with a better understanding of how to maintain your device's health and performance. Open a command prompt or terminal on your computer. Navigate to the directory where the platform tools are installed. To verify that your device is recognized, type EDB devices and press enter. You should see your device listed. If prompted on your device, allow USB debugging access. Place the APK file you want to install in the platform tools directory for convenience. In the command prompt or terminal, type edbb install file name.apk and press enter, replacing file name with the actual name of the APK file. The installation process will begin, and once completed, you will see a message indicating that the APK has been successfully installed on your device. You can now disconnect your device and use the newly installed app. ADB also lets you play with advanced configurations, installing apps with specific permissions that regular installations won't allow. It's akin to having a master key to all the doors in a building, unlocking features you didn't even know existed. And for those managing multiple devices, ADB makes bulk installations a breeze. Instead of painstakingly installing apps one by one, you can deploy them across multiple devices in one go, saving time and sanity. It's like cooking a big meal in one pot, instead of juggling multiple pans. Then there's the issue of apps playing hard to get. Some apps aren't available on the Google Play Store due to regional restrictions or other reasons. With ADB, you can sideload these apps directly onto your device, bypassing the usual roadblocks. Think of it as having a VIP entrance when the front door is too crowded. Installing apps via ADB Android Debug Bridge is a game changer for Android enthusiasts and developers alike. For developers, it's a lifeline, allowing them to swiftly install and test apps directly from their development environment. No more tedious uploading and downloading, just quick iterations and debugging, like having a direct hotline to your device's software. Device locks, such as those employed in Samsung's Lost Mode or similar functionalities on other platforms, are essential for securing your device and safeguarding your data in scenarios of loss or theft. Here's a breakdown of how they generally operate when activated remotely through services like Samsung's Find My Mobile or Google's Find My Device. The device immediately locks itself. This ensures unauthorized access is prevented, requiring a PIN. A custom message can often be displayed on the lock screen. This message typically includes contact information, facilitating the return of the device by anyone who finds it. It may also offer secure communication instructions. If the device has active location services and internet connectivity, its approximate location can be tracked. This tracking capability aids in locating the device if it's lost or stolen, with the location typically displayed on a map within the service interface. As a precautionary measure, remote wiping of all data on the device may be available. This feature ensures that personal information remains protected, even if the device cannot be physically retrieved. Many devices, including Samsung phones, incorporate an activation lock feature tied to the owner's Google or Samsung account. This feature prevents unauthorized users from resetting the device and using it with a different account, even after a factory reset, unless they possess the original owner's credentials. These device lock functionalities are critical for maintaining the security of personal information and preventing unauthorized device usage in the event of loss or theft. It is advisable to activate and familiarize oneself with these features in advance to facilitate swift action if the need arises. Love mobile fix and adventure? Subscribe to our channel for insider guides, breathtaking unboxing, and comparison tips that will help improve your productivity. Join our community of adventurers today.